Hello, welcome to this video where I will show you step by step on how to connect MetaMask to Blur Marketplace. First, you go to Blur website, blur.io, and on our top right hand side you will see where it says connect wallet. Click that. Once you click that, you will come to this website where you have to connect it by MetaMask or Wallet Connect. Either two of them will work, and I usually use Wallet Connect because it's easier. Otherwise, MetaMask will ask you to download via website. Once you click Wallet Connect, this window will come up where you have to scan it. To be able to scan it, you have to go to your mobile and click MetaMask app. Once you click and connect it and sign in, and then on the top right hand side, that small window you click. Once you click, you will be able to scan the QR code. This small window will come up where it will ask you to connect. You will click it. Once you connect, another small message will come up which says sign in. You have to approve it to sign in. Once you sign in and everything, then on a website it will show that you are fully connected your MetaMask to Blur Marketplace. On that top right hand side, now you could see that your wallet is fully connected with your wallet address. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.